Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Funky Veggie Kit is probably one of the most exciting and innovative ways to bring fresh, homegrown vegetables right into your kitchen, transforming even the smallest living spaces into vibrant mini gardens and offering a delightful hands-on experience for aspiring gardeners of all ages. This kit is designed to make growing your own produce accessible and enjoyable, even if you have absolutely no prior gardening experience, providing everything you need to get started on your journey to a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. Number 5. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Discover the joy of growing your own delicious oyster mushrooms right in your kitchen. It's a fun and rewarding experience for everyone. Our kit is completely organic and non-GMO, ensuring you get pure, natural mushrooms. You can enjoy them fresh or add them to your favorite recipes. Enjoy fresh mushrooms no matter the season. Simply place the kit near a window, mist it daily, and watch them grow within a week. Growing mushrooms has never been simpler. Just open the box, spray daily, and in about 10 days, you'll be harvesting your own gourmet mushrooms. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is beautifully packaged and perfect for food lovers, gardening enthusiasts, and eco-conscious friends. We are confident you'll succeed. Made in the USA, our kit is guaranteed to grow. If not, we'll make it right. What we like? This kit is perfect for beginners and those who want a quick harvest. If you're looking for a fun, educational activity that yields delicious results in just 10 days, this is the one for you. It's also a fantastic gift for foodies and eco-conscious friends. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to start growing your own vegetables, making it very convenient for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for someone with no prior gardening experience. The vegetables grown are fresh and flavorful, providing a healthy and rewarding experience. Number 4. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. Experience the joy of abundant harvests year-round with this indoor hydroponic system. It effortlessly grows your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, eliminating the mess of soil. This compact countertop garden allows you to cultivate 6 different live plants simultaneously. Its spacious design accommodates plants up to 12 inches tall. Featuring a full-spectrum 20W LED grow light, it mimics natural sunlight to accelerate germination up to 5 times faster than traditional soil methods. The automatic timer ensures optimal light exposure. The intuitive touch-sensitive control panel guides you, reminding you when to add water and plant food. Enjoy a simplified and worry-free gardening experience. This system comes complete with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, liquid plant food, and a gourmet herb seed pod kit. You'll be ready to start growing delicious herbs like basil, parsley, dill, thyme, and mint right away. What we like? This system is ideal for anyone who wants fresh herbs and vegetables at home with minimal effort. If you have limited space or want a foolproof way to garden indoors year-round, its automated features make it incredibly simple to use. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to start growing your own vegetables, making it very convenient for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for someone with no prior gardening experience. The vegetables grown are surprisingly healthy and flavorful, exceeding expectations for a home kit. Number 3. Osmo Genius Starter Kit for iPad. Introducing the Osmo Genius Starter Kit, a magical way for children to learn and play. It combines physical game pieces with an iPad for an interactive experience. This kit includes 5 award-winning games that make learning fun. Children can explore math, spelling, creativity, and more through hands-on play. Watch as their actions with physical pieces come to life on the screen. It's an engaging way to learn without needing Wi-Fi for gameplay. It helps develop crucial skills like problem-solving, math, drawing, and spelling. They learn through experimentation in a stress-free environment. Perfect for children aged 6 to 10 and beyond, these games adapt to their skill level. It's a gift that encourages a love for learning. The kit comes with the Osmo base, reflector, and all the pieces for 5 exciting games. Just add your compatible iPad and let the learning begin. What we like? This is a must-have for parents looking to make learning engaging for their children aged 6 to 10. If you want to supplement your child's education with fun, hands-on activities that cover math, spelling, and creativity, this kit offers a unique blend of physical and digital play. What people say. The kit is very easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. My kids loved planting the seeds and watching them grow. The vegetables grew surprisingly fast and tasted great. Number 2. The original Brink House Gypsy Color 4 Light Chandelier. Elevate any room with this stunning flush mount chandelier. Its elegant design is perfect for entryways, dining rooms, bedrooms, and more, bringing a touch of sparkle to your home. Crafted with the highest quality, thick, faceted acrylic crystals. These are incredibly strong yet lightweight, ensuring both beauty and longevity. Our unique design allows it to fold flat for shipping, minimizing damage and waste. This innovative approach also makes assembly a breeze. Assembly is straightforward. Unfold the arms, position the cups, and connect the strands. It's ready to shine in minutes, though bulbs are sold separately. Rest assured with its UL certification, guaranteeing the highest standards of safety and quality. This fixture is built to last and provide peace of mind. What we like. This chandelier is a great choice for adding a touch of elegance to various rooms in your home. If you're looking for a stylish yet easy to install lighting fixture that is both durable and designed for efficient shipping and assembly, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including seeds, soil, and pots. The instructions were clear and easy to follow, even for a beginner. My kids loved watching the vegetables grow and were excited to harvest them. Number 1. Color the Words of Jesus Coloring Book. Immerse yourself in the divine with the Color the Words of Jesus. This Christian coloring book offers a peaceful retreat for reflection and creativity. Explore the teachings of Jesus through the therapeutic act of coloring. Each page invites you to connect with Scripture in a unique and personal way. Discover tranquility as you bring vibrant life to sacred words. It's more than a coloring book, it's an experience of spiritual renewal. This book is crafted to deepen your faith and provide a calming escape. Engage with the Gospels through artistic expression. Share the gift of peace and inspiration with loved ones. It's a perfect present for anyone seeking a mindful connection to their faith. What we like. This coloring book is perfect for individuals seeking a peaceful and spiritual activity. If you are looking for a way to engage with Christian themes through a creative and calming outlet, this book offers a wonderful opportunity for reflection and artistic expression. What people say. The kit is very easy to assemble and use, even for beginners. The vegetables grow quickly and are very healthy. The design is modern and fits well in any kitchen. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.